Makinig kayo. Ganito mag-usap ang mga tita.
Ano yung OnlyFans?
OnlyFans. Okay. So, mas matindi pala ang aking hot flashes sa'yo din. Ako pinapag-isang pa din.
Nainitan ka pa rin?
Yeah. Sakto lang ito pinapag-isang.
Join me and the gorgeous titas of Vancouver for a memorable night at the fancy H-Tasting Lounge at the Westin Bayshore Hotel. And get ready for a fun and unfiltered chat about what adult women go through. Hot flashes, changing diets, and all the little things that come with life. Kung meron kayong group of girlfriends who share the same age and background but each have their own unique personalities, like us, then you're in for a treat. Sit back, listen in, and get ready to laugh out loud with us. For sure makaka-relate kayo ng bonggang-bongga.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you really care, 'cause I can't give it all away if you won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around.
Guys, good evening. I'm out tonight with my college friends. It's parang ano namin, Christmas get-together. This has been our tradition. Earlier than usual, ang Christmas get-together namin, mga pagkakaibigan, because I'll be flying to the Philippines for the Christmas season. Kaya ngayon pa lang, before I even leave, mag-get-together na kami.
I invite you to have fun and laugh out loud with us as we talk about the world we live in today, from OnlyFans to breaking the tradition of exchange gifts and the joys of vacation. Let's laugh, relate, and keep it real. We're at Westin Bayshore Hotel, and this is Winterlust, a dome dining experience. Each spacious dome boasts panoramic glass paneling bound by an intricately designed wooden framework. These elevated domes are equipped for winter nights with heaters, fresh air circulation, and independent sound systems. So with the use of an iPad, you can control the sound system. Imagine ninyo, may mga Filipino Christmas songs kami on the background while having our dinner. You need a reservation to experience this unique dining experience. And take note that each dome can only accommodate up to a maximum of 6 people. Also, when you're already there, each seating is 2.5 hours. Kaya medyo limited yung time, and also, just so you know, medyo pricey yung food nila and drinks. But it is so unique that you...
Ayan, ulit. I know. Tasting in Westin Bayshore.
Yeah.
Inside a dome.
Inside the dome.
I know.
Winterlust dome.
Winterlust.
I know. And I'm gonna introduce to you to each one of them. They're my batchmates from college.
Sige nga.
Hi! My name is Lorena. I'm Richelle. I'm Marita.
Mason!
Oh, diba? Ang gaganda. Parang ako lang. So join us. We're gonna have dinner tonight. We're just waiting for our orders. Medyo matagal daw. At saka medyo late kami ng konti. So I know Filipino pa din by heart.
Alam niyo po yon, some of us weren't prepared. We didn't bring gifts. And tignan niyo naman si Marita was in the middle of the two ladies, like exchanging gifts. Yung reaction niya is priceless. Please let me know, share down below sa comment section kung ano yung mga kakaiba sa practice nyo sa Christmas get-togethers nyo this year as compared to the previous years. Please excuse po yung aking malakas na tawa dyan sa background. Kasi naman, may usapan talaga kami na wala munang exchange gifts this Christmas dahil sa mahal ng bilihin, sa hirap ng buhay. We initially agreed, but tingnan nyo naman, pagdating namin sa aming dinner date, may mga gift-giving na nagaganap.
Yung magbubukas ng gift, ayaw niya ng regalo, ha? Ayaw niya
At ngayon naman, usapang hot flashes tayo. Sino naman sa inyo makaka-relate dyan?
In this corner, yung mga giniginaw. In this corner, mga nag-hot flashes.
Alam sa laki daw regalo ko kesa sa kanya.
Kasi birthday mo.
Birthday mo pala.
Meet our kababayan, Mel, our wonderful server tonight.
Pinoy talaga. Welcome. My name is Mel.
Hi, Mel.
Si Angie, kasama ko rin si Angie rito. Dalawa kami. But yeah, I'm gonna be your server now. Kasi request mo yata. Okay. So everything here can control the lights, the heater. There's 1, 2, 3 highs and iPad 1, 2, 3, 4 ang password. So you can play
Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So you can play OPM or whatever you want.
So this one's yours. Oh, this is here.
We also have a tomahawk, which is 50 ounce.
Hindi kami magkakama. Matagal yan. Tsaka masyado.
May teacher kami.
Walang lyric. Can you imagine that?
Lyrics.
Are we ordering vegan? Can I also order na
Hindi akong vegan dito. Mushroom and tofu dumplings.
Dumplings.
Yes.
That's your main course?
Gosh, we are ordering
Ano
na.
ang main course ng vegan niyo dito?
Hindi siya kumakain ng marami. Hindi kinakain ko eh. Putin ko.
We have the gnocchi. We're not putting any ricotta.
Sige, yes. Okay. Ano yun?
Holder.
Sige, kahit na ano.
What are you ordering?
Yeah, I like that one actually.
Sige nga, itayo ko na kasi. Iba-iba na ng
Perfect. And
fish.
Continuing ko na nga. Seafood. Not pasta.
I love the langshan,
Order niya sa akin.
seafood pasta, and the sable fish. That's my favorite.
Nagway sable fish.
Ito na pala, no? Sabi ko.
Hindi ka ba pwede ng fish?
Hindi.
May napansin po ba kayo dito sa likod ko? Alam niyo bang hindi ko to alam na nangyayari sa likod ko while I was filming? Sino naman na makaka-relate sa inyo? Meron ba kayong barkadang ganyan? Hindi makapigil sa kakatawa.
As we partake this food, we also pray for the less fortunate brothers and sisters as we pray, bless us, O Lord.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, wow.
Wait, sulungan niyo siya.
Free.
Sorry, what? No, it's not. It's just a presentation.
And so this is what?
The non-alcoholic?
Oh, this is for you.
Oh,
really? That's mine?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is
Sangria.
Sangria.
Thank you.
Si KFC yan?
KFC.
Oh, wow. What's in KFC? Meron pa siyang
Also, yeah.
I eat it with the
You good?
Really?
Okay.
How do you eat? How do you drink that?
How do I drink?
I'm still waiting for my drink. How do I drink with a straw? With coleslaw.
Oh, wow, sarap.
Oh, it's really good.
Rollerblade.
Rollerblades from Venezuela. Sabi mo.
Cheers!
Cheers! I know! Cheers! Cheers ka! Teka.
Ako wala ko na.
Ito yung bote mo, San Pellegrino.
Teka, dapat bumirang.
Just San Pellegrino.
I know.
Bumirang. Extra.
Mas malaki yung
Bombot.
Eh, teka, ganito muna. Lahat ganyan muna. Tapos, ready. 1, 2, 3, out.
out.
Oh. Ayan. Ayan na, ayan. Wala lang yung kay, yung perya na.
At meron din ba kayong friend na alam niyo yung mausisa or matanong or ma-request?
Thank you.
Please comment and share with us too kung meron din among you na may mga medical condition na at this point.
Yeah, but
With strict diets to follow.
Yes, garlic and
Hindi ka na pwede sa
herbs.
bread.
Pwede, doon na lang ako sausaw. Doon sa mga...
But apat lang yung slices namin. I guess we
It's
just
okay. Only 4. You want another one?
No, that's enough. That's enough.
It's only appetizer.
Ayan yung dumplings. Na vegan. Pag COVID yan, di ba?
Hinahanap niya.
May sensor pala, no?
Dapat hindi mo na siya.
Related ba kayo na among your friends meron yung digital creator / YouTuber / napakahilig mag-video and mag-picture. Kaya naman kailangan pa-demure ang kain.
Paki-forward, please.
sa amin.
Sure, dahil nag-subscribe na siya.
Nag-subscribe ako.
Kaya pala kang kumain ka, napaka, mo, premier mo kumain dahil.
Kaya nasabi ko.
Exception ka niya.
So, subscribe daw ko yung ano.
Life in Vancouver of a Filipino.
Oh, ikaw nga. Ano ba to? Ayaw ko na 1 month free.
Pwede free.
Ikaw? Masakit ako.
Kaya ako tinitle ng gano'n. Ano, yan ang maganda pag nakikita kita with friends. Yung mga instant subscribers.
Really? May instant subscriber? Ikaw?
Instant.
Ako yun.
Nag-video pala yan. Nagtitingat nga pa.
Oh yes! Nag-video. Live in Vancouver. All the Filipino. Oh, there! Oh,
lagyan nila ng
yes,
smiley.
meron ako. Merong ano, automatic siya.
Pwede pang palakasan tong light kung gusto niyo. Okay na yan? Okay na yan? Para ano?
Alam ko na yung mga you. Diba? Uy, tignan mo naman. Career yan, girl. Hindi ako nag-video
Magaling
ng
na
ano
siya.
Magaling.
Kaya makadalas mag-upload?
Depende nga kasi may work ako din napunta doon.
Ano, nag lang siya 3 hours. The rest work, tsaka vlog.
You have 2K subscribers.
2K na? Kasi, alam mo ba, 1,999 ako kanina. Plus 2,002.
Ako.
Dapat may free yung 2,000 follower mo, ha?
Free kain.
Ako ang pang 2,000.
Free rice. Ako ang pang 2.
2001 ako.
Palagay ko.
Akong 1.
In
2002 ako. Oh, yun ang number.
22.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Hindi. She gave us a ride.
Kaya kayo nag-subscribe?
Masama ng loob namin.
Kotse.
Hindi. Talagang
Hindi sila familiar sa OnlyFans. Hindi gusto ko makita yung reaction niya eh.
Kasi ang OnlyFans, yung kahit any part of your body, katulad sabi niya, kahit kilikili lang, yung mga fetishes ng lalaki, ng tao. So,
Kita nyo?
tita nyo! Inuman natin yan.
Paana lang.
Yes.
Nga ako nitong.
Paan lang, pwede na.
Yes! Imagine, they're earning
Ma-posted pa ako.
Thousands.
Wala na iba.
Nagsalamin. Basa, tita. Basa.
OnlyFans.
Ayun na. Interesado na siya.
ano naman pwede ko i-post doon?
I see their faces.
Some of them kasi, okay lang ipakita yung face. But, iba-iba yan. Kahit anong part of your body na hindi mo papakita yung face. Yun nga, paa, kamay. Di mo kamay? Kasi di ba may mga sexy na kamay?
Guys, about the OnlyFans app, bahala na po kayo mag-look up ng meaning or kung ano talaga yung app na yon. But this is a disclaimer that whatever I said about it is just my opinion. And kung meron ako nasabing mga kakaiba or not accurate, pagpasensyahan nyo na po.
Yes! So, bongga naman the presentation.
What is it?
Ooh!
I'm very Asian fish.
Wow! Kaya pala Instagrammable meal.
Kasi ibang fish din ako.
Yes, it's coming.
Gusto mo isayo muna?
No, it's good, it's good.
Wow, it's so nice naman.
Hindi. Ano lang, presentation lang yan.
Presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, what's this? Parang ano?
naman ang dating ng silverfish na.
Magmukbang na tayo.
Kamusta yung laki mo?
Ha? Masarap.
Can I try?
Sige.
So, hindi mo nag-miss ang meat?
Hindi. Minsan ako kung anong luluto eh.
Eggplant?
We wish you Merry Christmas.
Uy, ang sarap nito. Eggplant, ano? Ang sarap.
Eggplant tayo.
Morning, what this is for? Para saan kaya to? For the fish. Kasi masarap na yung fish. I don't need it.
It's ano, lemon butter. So, if you...
May ginger nga. Sila dito kay KFC. Gusto ko na matulog.
Baka nakakakita ka na ng Colonel Sanders.
Oo.
Minom na ako ng tubig. Dapat inumin ko na ito ng tubig. Nahihilo na ako. Sabi ng asawa ko, ano naman ininom mo?
Hindi ko alam kung dapat ko siya minix.
Siguro dapat mo sa mix.
Walang straw or something.
Wala nga.
Mukha nalugi ka kay mailbox.
Kaya nga si mailbox lang yung mahal.
Nabudol.
Talong mo.
Talong nyo, narinig ko yun.
Gusto ko mga lola. Puro take home na ang initin.
Ano?
Nabusog sa appetizer.
Yung seat ko nagreklamo kanina, malit lang yung
Ito bang kumot na to, nilalaban?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just wondering.
Housekeeping kaya kami. Hindi ko inuuwi yan para laban. Nakatulog ako.
Kasi kinukomment ko sa akin eh. Baka nilalaban.
Risotto.
Risotto to, okay.
Alam na lang kainin mo sa tinalo.
I know. Yes.
Basta talong, masarap talaga.
Parang sana sa steam rice, no?
Oo. Yeah.
Ang sarap nga ng talong.
Yeah.
Kaya lang ang ano namin ang restaurant chef namin is Indian and Chinese. Pero yung pastry chef namin Pinay.
Oh, wow. So, ibig sabihin mag-order tayo ng dessert.
Oh, pero kita mo naman.
Friend.
I know. No, and the director too. Of poses. I know. And the...
Wala ako. The no filter.
No filter. And the organizer.
Actually, I'm getting tipsy kasi
Oh, really?
nakasuot pa ako sa glasses ko kanina. Sabi ko, bakit parang malabo?
Oh my God!
Wala ako. Yung KFC ko, maraming alcohol.
Really? Teka, paano ka uuwi?
My hubby will
Susunod.
take me out.
Then the hubby will be happy later.
I paid $35 for the Uber.
Panggas na yun.
And parking. I don't wanna find
Mayaman. Kaya.
In fairness with our parking, no? Magkano? $3. Pero,
Side tayo.
yeah.
Diyan lang.
Paano ako naging mayaman? Pare-pareho lang tayo ng work.
Kaga North Banta Deep Cone, meron din.
Di ba wala siya naka-gift code ever?
Ay, nakakadip ko.
Uy, ang ganda!
Sige na nga, next summer.
Inviting mo naman kami. Uy,
Summer. Bakit summer? Summer para makapunta siya. Di ba alam ko punta yung take off ng winter.
uy, kasi... Wow! So fancy!
Wow! That's spice honey and
Thank you!
Ako mabata.
Just tayo? O one bill?
Separate ways.
Divided by.
Wait.
Paano natin i-divide ito kasi mga ganito, yung appetizer, yung appetizer din.
Kaya lang, hindi siya nag-drink eh.
Okay lang yan.
Diba? Para lang tayo mga bato. I hope you guys had a great time with us tonight. This is just part 1 of our wonderful dinner. Join us again for part 2, where we'll be singing for you Christmas caroling kumbaga, and striking million poses for photos and keeping the fun going all the way home. See you there! Don't forget to check out my other videos featuring Vancouver's top tourist destinations and highlights from my recent vacation in the Philippines. I really hope you consider subscribing and sharing. Your support means so much and is truly appreciated.